slowly erupting Colima volcano in Mexico has spectacularly started spewing lava, sending a huge column of smoke and ash high into the air. One of the most active volcanoes in North America, the Colima volcano has been slowly erupting since early September. A particularly spectacular eruption in October led to the evacuation of 300 people. The 3839 mountain produced another series of remarkable eruptions on Friday and Saturday, sending lava cascading down its slopes and belching a column of smoke 1,000 meters into the air. The region's local website said that the lava flow now extends to 1,700 meters in length. Based on recent activity, the state's civil protection unit broadened the exclusion zone to 12 km on one side of the mountain and maintained the 8 km zone in other areas. It also recommends that people avoid traveling close to the volcano and, for those who have, cover their noses and mouths. People living in the foothills of the mountain are advised to keep windows and doors shut, cover water tanks, avoid driving if possible and drive with the headlights on if they must drive. People with respiratory problems are being told to avoid going outside. By analyzing clearing data for the past 2,000 years in Europe and Asia, scientists from the Swiss Federal Institute for Forest, Snow and Landscape Research (WSL) were able to precisely reconstruct the summer temperature for each year. Scientists can analyze clearing widths in old trees to accurately predict temperatures. By looking at these, they found that during the 6th century, there was a drop in temperature of an average of 3 degrees Celsius. Both Bunchen, lead researcher on the project, said this was the most dramatic cooling in the northern hemisphere in the past 2,000 years. They believe that this climate change was triggered by 3 volcanic eruptions in 536, 540, and 547 C. The team has dubbed this period the Late Antique Little Ice Age Lully. This, they add, contributed to disease and famine to spread across the world. They highlight the Justinian plate rose between 541 and 543 C, which took the lives of millions of people over the ensuing centuries, and contributed to the collapse of the Eastern Roman Empire. This cooler period also allowed the Arab Empire to bloom in the Middle East, as the Arabian Peninsula received more rain, meaning that more vegetation could grow, which afforded them a larger army. Additionally, more people migrated east towards China to escape famine and disease, causing dramatic social shifts in Asia too. Tensions rose between nomadic groups and the Chinese natives, which caused the natives to form an alliance with the Eastern Romans, which led to the conquering of Persia. The knock-on effect caused by climate change in ancient times will give us a better idea of how to deal with modern-day global warming. The researchers write in Nature Geoscience. Professor Bunchen said, "We can learn something from the speed and scale of the transformations that took place at that time."